Hello everyone. Today's date 9 August 9 September 2024. Today's my non-technical topic is cybercrime. Today's we are discuss about cybercrimes. Cybercrimes is biggest uh, cybercrimes is cybercrimes is digital devices and or networks. These crimes involve the use of technology to commit fraud, identity theft, data branches, computer viruses, scams, and expanded upon in other malicious acts. Cybercrimes on access to sensitive information, disturb services and cases, financial or reputational harms to individual organizations and governments. In 2000, the 10th United Nations Congress on the Prevention of Crime and the Treatment of place cyber crimes into 5 categories. Number 1, unauthorized access, damage to computer data or programs. Second, sabotage to hinder in functioning of computer system or network. Unauthorized interception of data within a system or network and computer espionage. Internationally, both state and non-state actors engage in cybercrimes, including espionage, financial debt, and other cross-border crimes, cybercrimes crossing international borders and involving the actions of a latest of the list. All nation states are sometimes referred to as cyber rapper, where Bob has said the cybercrime is the number one problem with mankind, and that it poses real risk to humanity. The World Economic Forum's 2020 Global Risks Report is confirmed that organized cybercrime groups are joining forces to commit criminal activities online while estimating the likelihood of their detection and prosecution to be less than 1% in the US. The 1% in the US. There are also privacy concerns surrounding cybercrimes when confidential information is interpreted or disclosed legally or otherwise. The World Economic Forum's 2023 Global Risk Report ranks cybercrimes as one of the top 10 risks facing the world today and for the next 10 years. If cybercrime were viewed as a nation state, cybercrimes would count as the third largest economy in the world. In numbers, cybercrimes is predicted to cause over 9 trillion in damage worldwide in 2024. Classifications with classifications about cybercrimes. Computer crimes encompasses the broad range of activities including computer fraud, financial crimes, scams, cyber sex trafficking and fraud. Next, main article. Next, computer fraud. Computer fraud is the act of using computer to take or alter electronic data or to gain unlawful use of computer system. Computer fraud that involves the use of the internet is also called internet fraud. The legal definition of computer fraud cybercrime varies by uh, accessing a computer without permission or authorization. It is called as cybercrime. Okay, thank you.